How to install PHP scripts on Hostinger hosting. Welcome to this tutorial on installing PHP scripts on Hostinger hosting. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to install popular PHP scripts like WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal, and also cover some advanced topics like configuring PHP settings and optimizing server performance. To start, you'll need to log in to your Hostinger control panel and navigate to the script library or Softaculous section, depending on your hosting plan. From there, you can browse through the available scripts and select the one you want to install. Once you've selected the script, click on the Install button to begin the installation process. You'll be prompted to enter some basic information, such as your site's title, admin username, and password. As the script installs, you'll see a progress bar and some installation messages. This may take a few minutes, depending on the complexity of the script and your server's performance. Once the installation is complete, you'll need to configure the script settings, such as the database connection and file permissions. This will vary depending on the script you've installed, so be sure to check the script's documentation for specific instructions. Finally, you can test your script by accessing its dashboard or by visiting your site's homepage. If everything is working correctly, you should see the script's logo and a welcome message. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more hosting tutorials and tips. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative, and we'll see you in the next one.